Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to FairPhone free. Firstly, open Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bar. Over here you need to type Send Anywhere and then download this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then click on Receive on FairPhone and Send on Samsung. Now tap on all of those kind of dots and then tap on Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go into Photos category, select one of them and tap on Send. Over here click Got it, and now we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then select Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on FairPhone, then choose Allow and point your camera at the QR code. Now we need to wait a bit. So sorry, misclick. But as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of files app, tap on, in my case, images over here and choose Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!